Apple might be on the verge of something huge with the iPhone 17 Pro. Recent reports suggest the company could get access to TSMC's cutting-edge 2nm chips earlier than expected, possibly by 2025. If this turns out to be true, it would mean a significant jump in both performance and battery life for the iPhone 17 Pro, making it one of the most powerful smartphones Apple has ever made. Up until now, it was widely believed that the iPhone 17 lineup would use chips based on TSMC's third-generation 3nm process known as N3P. The current iPhone 16 models already run on second-generation 3nm chips called N3E, offering slight improvements in speed and efficiency. While these upgrades make a difference, they are more of an incremental step rather than a breakthrough. However, the latest report from Digitimes changes everything. It claims Apple could introduce 2nm chips in the iPhone 17 Pro, which would be much earlier than expected. But what does a 2nm chip actually mean for everyday use? Early estimates suggest this technology could boost performance by up to 15%, while improving efficiency by around 30% compared to the iPhone 16 Pro's 18 Pro chip. That means not only a faster experience, but also improved power management, potentially leading to longer battery life. If Apple successfully implements this, the iPhone 17 Pro could outperform competitors in terms of speed and energy efficiency. What's even more interesting is that Apple might not limit this new chip to just the Pro model. The report suggests the iPhone 17 Air could also feature the same 2nm technology. If true, it would be a major step forward for Apple's non-Pro models, giving them a significant performance boost. However, the standard iPhone 17 is expected to stick with a 3nm chip, likely due to production costs and availability. This development could also give Apple a strong lead over Samsung. The upcoming Galaxy S25 series is expected to use 3nm chips, most likely an improved Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Exynos 2500. While these processors will be powerful, Apple's shift to 2nm technology would put them ahead in the competition, especially in terms of speed, power efficiency, and AI capabilities. That said, not everyone is convinced that this will happen so soon. Renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo previously predicted that Apple wouldn't introduce 2nm chips until the iPhone 18 series in 2026. If Apple has decided to speed up this timeline, it would be a surprising move. While Digitimes has had a good track record with Apple leaks, it's important to take this information with some caution, as plans could still change. Even if the iPhone 17 Pro doesn't get a 2nm chip, there are still plenty of exciting upgrades rumored for this device. Leaks suggest Apple is considering a major design overhaul, possibly featuring a camera bar similar to what's seen on Google's Pixel phones. Additionally, there are talks of a new 48-megapixel periscope camera, which could enhance zoom capabilities and improve overall photography. On the software side, iOS 19 is expected to debut alongside the iPhone 17 series. Apple always fine-tunes its software to take full advantage of new hardware, so users can likely expect new features designed to maximize the upgraded chipset and camera system. Whether Apple introduces the 2nm chip next year or waits until 2026, one thing is certain: they are working aggressively to maintain their lead in smartphone technology. If they do bring this advanced chip to market earlier than expected, it could set a new industry standard for both performance and battery life. What do you think? Will Apple surprise everyone with a 2nm chip next year, or will they stick to their original plan? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech news. See you in the next one.